What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Hi, it's me Keisha from Islandwide Express. This video is sponsored by Islandwide Express, where you can ship all your mails and documents up to 8 ounces for free, and where you can ship up to 4 times per year for free by becoming a platinum member. Click on the link in the description box below to sign up for your free shipping account.
Bless up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So viewers and subscribers, so right about now, I'm going to talk about an incident based on a video that's been going around, a video that has been circulating out of Jamaica. And it's where you see this young man and a female and a police officer. You understand? In this video, people, the lady in this video would have looked like to be the mother or say a relative towards the younger man. And something transpired where it's like the police are remove them from an area where maybe them not sell this or thing, you know what I mean? Maybe they don't get no permit or they are not authorized to sell their stuff there. In the process, people, it seemed like the police was trying to move certain stuff, and I get me wish me say a 2 video, I only see the short one and thing. Based on to on, it was like the mother or the lady, yeah, to say, because I'm not sure if it's the youth mother or wife or anything like that, which she looked like a big woman theme still, so she could have been considered his mother. So the mother now, boom, look how nice and talk, and you know you got people because she feel really angry and thing, because based on the fact she know them are gonna remove her and thing and her hustling she depend. The youth come intervene now, I think, when the police kinda push off the mother certain way, when the mother attempt to push the police off certain way or say something to her, and the youth try to intervene and thing. In the process, the youth now comes a boom and, you know what I mean, kinda make a push, and police comes a boom and wheel out for him something in him waist, which would I call at him look a lashy or something. It wasn't a button door, people, but them something there's like an iron thing, and me can tell her, we lick the youth in him forehead, bust you out, chop you out, brother run. Look terribly, look bad. The youth was so frightened, people, that's him have to open him out wide. You understand? He never try if he attack back the police officer or anything like that. Which when you say the youth, people, can say the youth was just trying to defend the lady based on to how the police are move or something like that. Well, my viewers and subscribers, it is not the first time I have seen things like this happen in Jamaica when it come on to the poor citizens them who are trying to hustle and make a daily bread. And I do understand the situation where them say them create market, they must not sell on the street side, they must not do this, they must not do that and thing. And I'm looking to this thing, people. This era don't look like no tourist era. You understand? It don't look so to me. It don't look like no popularized era where, you know what I mean? And in this thing now, this is why it reached to. This is how some police, because I know this every police now, because we know we have good police out there. Some police now seem like them take the problem with them have them yard. You understand? Or the problem with them have with them side chick. Or the problem where they have with their man or something like that. Yeah. You know, say the attacking boss and afraid to talk people. And them feel like maybe them want to come take it and turn it out on the little poor citizens them of Jamaica. Hear me say, man. A wickedness and crueltyness. Zine, there's other way how to deal with people in the street. Or you can't take people like say them at some little stray dog or some little mongrel dog will walk up and down on the road. You get me? The greatest thing, people, these people out there hustling, trying to make a daily bread. Especially in a time like now, it is rough, it's hard. how much people now have a 9 to 5 right now, see? And the people them come say boom, and then go out there and hustle them daily bread. And at this our go on in the end viewers and subscribers. This is really unfair. And you see for the police there, a straight attack me again. No joke thing. As me say people, me not attack every police, but for the police there, you know I deal with people too wicked and cruel. Zine. But when me look into enough things, people, me not go consider and say, yo, I this no vote for. No, because I see where a lot of comments of people that say, yo, I that them vote for, that them get. You get me? None of that them vote for, none of that them get. Police do assign to do their job, yes. But they don't assign to go out there and deal with poor people certain way. They are not assigned to go out there and treat poor people, as I'm telling you already, like dog and jankro. Huh? Police, if you don't have problem, brother, or woman, you don't keep on a problem on the yard. But this anger you want to have inside, because this police wheel off with anger people. And this is why at times being, a lot of innocent people do get killed by police. It's no joke, it's real thing, people. A lot of times being, because with anger like this, he can lick that youth then like from the chop out in forehead, so people that think can kill him also. This is not joke thing, it's serious thing. And I hope this youth do get some justice for this thing. No matter when nobody wants to say, yeah, we know say he maybe try to intervene, and you know what I mean, but he intervene when the police kind of chuck the lady, and as a man you have to do that, of course. Zine, police must respect people. I remember seeing when the police take the people them cart and turn over the people them food and it and everything, and had licked up the cart. I have seen so much things and cruelty-ness where police has done among citizens of Jamaica. We respect good police. We respect police when they are conducting their operation, yes, because they get a job that they have to done to protect the citizens of Jamaica, but not to destroy people's life. I feel so ashamed, people, when I see videos like these going viral out of our country, Jamaica. Huh? This is how we treat our brothers and sisters. Police, me know say you must have family too, you know. Me know say you must have close relatives, you know, if you're not a brother or sister, you know. Zine, who do you like nobody to treat your family like that? Me know say you would take it lightly. Me know say if somebody do that to one of your family members, you would take it so lightly. And this is the way how you react. This is the way how you would deal with things. Huh? All me can tell you, viewers and subscribers. But I was reading and where them say for anybody who have any information can provide it and this and that, because in the end, you know what I mean, they are conducting their investigation to it because of the video was sent out and thing. So any witness who was on the scene can give a word or something based on it. But people, in the end, there's a video there. What more evidence do they want? Honestly, that video shows that the police not deal with things good. The police never try to arrest the man or nothing like that. But just because the man tried to intervene certain way, this is what he has done. Chop out the youth forehead. Pluck out the youth forehead like he's a dog. You understand? Like he's a dog. Huh? All me can tell the people, the tar out there, it rough. I say it over and over, you know. It's not an easy road. Because if I saw them, I go continue to deal with people. Boy, Jamaica, we're gone to the dogs. Gone, gone, gone. But in the end, people, as me tell you now, them say, anybody who have any information, you understand, can come say boom and contact the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau, you understand. And they have a number where them say is 876, they know that a area code, 838-3084. 876-838-3084. and that is the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau. You get me? So anybody with any information can come lead to this, because this definitely people need some investigations into it, because this brother was just trying to defend the female, and this is what the police done to him. It's a wicked and cruel act. Me not feel good. Poor people in the street a hustler sell panel look how cat. And I like so the people and take up on whole year. Jaja. Them something and wickedness and see there. Him gone now, you know. But why? We have a price to pay to the Almighty. A straight attack for him. You understand? That police boy there, a straight attack for him, people. I remember in time I go come in. Now put my mouth on the body, but your time I go come, you know. You see the lick where you lick that youth there and chop out the forehead. Your time I go come. Remember the attacking boss tell you that. Your time I go come. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and the people that does more love and more respect, and just stay safe in the people and more blessings. So don't know the attacking boss, come on. Peace out and respect. Be good and be great and be safe out there. I'm out. Bless it. Viewers and subscribers, you see, if you're there in Jamaica and you buy anything online, or you have people in America who buy things online and want to send it to you in Jamaica, listen, man, you need to check the link there below. You understand? You see the link with the below the video in the description where to sign up with NEWLINK Productions Panny. Yeah, just click on the link, the people, and it will lead you over to a page. And I go see what? Island Wide Express, because viewers and subscribers, me I tell you say, them are the real deal right now. When you shop online from Jamaica or anywhere over there, so, and you want to send it to America and send it back to Jamaica, people are the real deal right now. So Island Wide Express, and you see when you click on the link, people, and remember, you know, just go over to customer service after you sign up. Come, you know, I go sign up, you know, because NEWLINK are telling about it. No, just tell customer service, so listen, you know, I sign up through NEWLINK Productions, and remember, we're not going to get a £5 shipping coupon that's valid for 30 days on the can. Yo, order something with it. No. So remember, Island Wide Express, them are the real deal. Peace out. Attack.